What are the benefits of L-Leucine?
So L-Leucine is in my Resilient formula. I have an immune formula, Resilient, which has 5 organic mushrooms, amazing mushrooms, and it has 4 superpowered immune herbs, immune building herbs, astragalus, echinacea, olive leaf extract, and oil of oregano extract. Leucine is my last ingredient. It's my 10th ingredient, but it is there for particular reasons. Great story. So when I started making supplements, one of the reasons why I make supplements is because there's not a formula out there or a company out there that I truly believe in. And that's not saying there's not some good things out there that people are doing. There are. But I need to know that whatever I put in my body, that it's as healthy as can be. And even though a supplement might have some beneficial effects for me from other companies, I don't want to also risk that it also has negative impacts. That's why, you know, I have no fillers, I have no inactive ingredients in my formulas, and I make sure that whatever goes in my formula is 100% beneficial for you. And I cannot sign on to a product that might even have one inactive ingredient or filler that might not be good for you. So, my immune formula, you know I do lots of samples. I'm always testing to make sure I have the best thing out there. My immune formula, my manufacturer could not make unless he put in this organic rice. Now, a lot of people would be like, organic rice, that's amazing. It's fine. Even my manufacturer's like, what's the problem? It's organic. I know you love organic. And here's the thing. Organic rice still has the potential of having arsenic in there. Now, maybe in the smallest of capsules, a little arsenic's not a big deal, right? Of course it is, but let's just say it isn't. Here's the problem. What if I take this the rest of my life? Now, for 50 years, I'm taking capsules with teeny little bits of arsenic. Now it becomes a humongous problem. So I'm not going to take a formula or give a formula to my friends and family and patients and people all around the country, little capsules of tiny little pieces of arsenic. I'm just not going to do it. So I said, what can we do? And the reason why they want to put these inactive ingredients in there is it makes the ingredients move better into the capsules. It's purely that makes the manufacturer's life easier. And I said, I'm not doing it. So I need an alternative. So he's like, so we both were researching, coming up with all these ideas. One after the other failed. Finally, we came up with something called L-Leucine. L-Leucine is a branched-chain amino acid. It's essential for our body to function and to be healthy. A lot of athletes do branched-chain amino acids. They're great for muscle repair, protein synthesis. It helps our bodies become, our immune system it helps. It helps anything to do with our body. We need this amino acid. Now, this is not an active dose. I mean, you need a few grams of L-Leucine a day to really have the benefits of what L-Leucine provides. But it is also, because of just the way its texture, it also can act as a flowing agent for the capsule. So we put 50 milligrams of L-Leucine in there. It's an active ingredient because it's a very valuable ingredient for a person. Not in the efficacious dose of L-Leucine, but just to help support the other nutrients and for me to get rid of the need to use something I just will never put in a capsule.
For sure. That's awesome. It worked out pretty well.
Incredible.